Hey guys, just a quick one today. I want to show you the difference between an impact driver and a standard drill. A standard drill is going to apply the same amount of force constantly on a screw. The problem you can get with that sometimes is if you've got a stripped head of a screw and you try and take it out or put it in, it'll actually just bounce around and you'll actually strip the head more and you won't be able to get the screw in or out. But look, in a new screw it should work fine, so I'll show you how that goes into the timber. So no problems there. But the impact driver, the way this works, once it reaches a certain amount of force, then the impact kicks in and there's a little hammer inside the drill itself which will, as it spins, it also hits and it gives you that downward pressure to help drive a screw in or pull a screw out. So let's see how that works. I'll drive one in straight away. I won't stop it, but you can just see how the impact kicks in. Now, you mightn't have been able to see it in that speed, but it went in quite a little bit before the impact actually then started to take place and drive the screw the rest of the way in. Now the way that works, once it reaches a certain amount of force, that's when it'll kick in. So let's look at it a little bit slower. So I won't apply much pressure to the screw. Okay, so you can see it there. They've probably got 3/4 of the way of the screw in, and then it's now at a point where the screw's that far in that it's got enough pressure that it's going to want the impact to start kicking into place. So let's watch it go the rest of the way in. So you can hear that grrrr. That's the actual impact inside here. That's the mechanism hitting down on the screw, you know, maybe 2 or 3 times per rotation to help drive it in. Now I'll also show you pulling these screws out as well. You'll hear the impact for a certain distance on the screw and then you'll see it just turn to a normal actual screwdriver as it comes out, so the impact will stop. So watch how this works. We'll reverse these out. So again, it's sort of like the last quarter of the screw is just coming out freely without having to have the impact because the force is less. So it's a handy little tool. It's great for stripped screws, getting them out of doors or anything like that. It's definitely worth checking it out. There you have it. Thanks guys.